menu mode it on and off high. Until then, I'm doing the whole thing. Huh? Hello?
Those sparks would have blown up, although not at Transport Solutions.
He just got the cantina done. I assume that means yes, it's going. Yeah.
Wait here until our think so, yeah.
My flight was red credentials. Red credentials over here.
Gotta get a picture. Gotta get a picture.
Like green right over here. Who are my pilots?
Pilots?
Who are my pilots? Anybody?
Look at your tag.
Read your credentials. Tell me who you are.
Yep, you're the pilots.
Pilots up front, right behind them. Pilots up front, behind them. Side by side, 2 by 2. Who are my gunners? Behind him. The engineers behind them.
Sorry.
Kill us all.
We're gonna score real high on this thing.
Sorry, we're done.
We're gonna get really high scores up front, I guarantee you.
Yeah, we've written this a lot.
Yeah.
So it's fun either way. The more we practice, the more work we get to do.
I've written it a bunch on YouTube. I've written it a bunch on YouTube.
Ready? Anybody got any questions?
None.
None? Perfect. Just gonna hang out for a little bit more. Almost time to go.
It's pretty neat that they have that. Waiting for someone else.
Saw that? So they removed the color.
Yeah, because they opened the door.
Alright guys, go ahead all the way down the hall. Have a great mission.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go, go.
So is that the single rider line that y'all are in? Is that how that works?
Yeah.
Okay.
I recommend
Saves you
the
an hour.
beginning, but throughout the day it's like 40, 50 minutes. Morning 5.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, we're
Basically
just
skip
on
all
it,
the-
like
the
10
mess
minutes
and-
ago.
Yeah.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Back. We'll start checking safe boats row by row. After all, this is the fastest ship in the galaxy.
Hit your button.
Our first row, gonna pull on the yellow tab there. Thank you. Our second row, thank you. And our third row, pull on the yellow tab there. There you go. Hit the flashing buttons to power up our ship. You'll be left and right. Down is up is down. Choose your mode. Automatic's easier if it's your first time. For the engineers, press any of the flashing, blinking lights of the future to regenerate the health.
I don't know.
You got a button down here, though, Cass.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineers. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick. Fly out. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go with that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Pull it back.
the train. Pilots, into the center. Runners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's pretty shooting. No, I thought you had it. That gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. Boost. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Hey, it's this. Mama, this. Look at that. Look. It's a week. That was terrible. You're terrible.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Rathdal loose in here. I am not cleaning that out. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it?
Now we're updating.
This looks like 8 tentacles. Oh, looks like we're ready to unload.
That was fun. And
They won't come on that. They won't come on bucket.
Guess I'll ride this thing all day. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right. All right, let's take the Han Solo and Princess Leia kiss.
what? Sorry. What? We didn't mean to break it. We're very sorry. We didn't mean to break your ship.
Exits this way, guys.
What are you doing?
It says exits that way.
Ground crew only.
Where?
Ground crew only.
This isn't out. Okay.
Oh, guess you can go either way.
Well, I'm gonna do the stairs because that's better.
I get trapped in the elevator.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
We destroyed our ship.
You and Mom did good.
It was fun.
Whatever.
That was fun. I thought it'd be louder.
At least here, I don't think we had a negative number, did we? We didn't have a negative number.
We didn't have a negative number.
Some people get on to see how bad they can, the worst score that they can get.
That's funny. Don't know about that.
That's fun? Did you like it? Everything. We only wrote one behind.
Almost cried once. It's alright. Yeah. Almost cried once. It's okay. I get that. It gets me overwhelmed. Even music, though. It's so weird.
You loved it, didn't you?
gel pen. You like it?
Yes.